Matt McCoy, McCoy's Foreign and Domestic Auto Repair. This is Matt McCoy, McCoy's Foreign and Domestic Auto Repair, German car specialist. I really preach about pre-purchases. Before you buy a car, please have it checked out by a certified technician. I'm really good at them for seeing if they've been in wrecks, what kind of shape they are. Don't believe, should I say that?
Yeah.
Carfax, they're not always true. I've seen them totally wrecked and they're saying there are no accidents. But a pre-purchase is a must. I do post-purchases also, and a lot of times they're okay, but a lot of times they're not. You see a lot of stuff going on with used cars. Always have it checked out.
What year did you start your business?
1980. Full-time after I quit the dealerships, 2006.
And what dealerships did you work for?
Veal, California Porsche Audi. Back to Veal, I worked at Tillman's for a short stint. Sonnen BMW, Weatherford BMW, Hansel BMW.
Yeah.
My funnest job was working in California Porsche Audi Ferrari in San Francisco.